Hello.
Welcome to
NTU.
Sorry.
SES, okay.
Sorry.
Hello. Welcome to NTU SCSE channel.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Manika.
That's a cool name. So Monica, would you like to tell our viewers what we will be sharing about today?
No.
So today what we're going to be sharing with you guys is what a day in the life of an SCSE student such as ourselves is like.
Right, so we actually took a 48 hours vlog just to show you guys a snippet of what our life as SCSE students is like.
Before we begin, let us introduce ourselves just a little bit. I am a final year student studying a double degree in business and computer science. I reside on campus in one of the halls of residences here in NTU, and I'm really enjoying the convenience of living so close to campus. I'm also an active member of my hall's jam band, so I do occasionally participate in gigs. Yeah, so that's what the background of my life. What about you, Ashley?
Well, I would say my life is a bit more different because first of all, I don't live in hall, so I live with my parents and I'm a year 3 computer engineering student. In terms of what I'm doing now, I think you will notice in my footage that I'm on an internship, so a lot of my vlog is mainly featuring what I'm doing at work.
That is pretty different from mine actually. Mine is mostly, my 48 hours I spend mostly
Studying, going to class.
yeah, so I'm quite interested to see what your video looks like.
Well, don't expect too much. I would say it is still part of our school life.
Yeah, school life, it's not gonna be super interesting maybe.
Yeah.
Never know, you never know. Maybe Ashley's living a...
Super interesting life.
Wow.
Okay, I think that's enough talking. Let's hop right into the video. So here's Ashley's video and I'm gonna be reacting to it.
Hi everyone! I'm working from home today. So since workplaces are moving into a bit of a hybrid arrangement between working from home and working from office, I thought I would show you guys what it's like when I'm working from home. One important part of working from home is having a comfortable setup. So this is mine. It's a bit messy.
You have nice keyboards, yeah.
Yeah, it's a custom keyboard.
So you're doing that from 9 to 5?
Yeah.
The whole day? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, fits pose ah.
Look at my
SCSE.
legs.
Wow. This is during work.
This is after work. So I just ended work and
That's
this
so-
is what I do.
You're so close. So close to your colleagues. Ah. Wow, so nice.
Hi, so I just got back home and this is my little sister.
Oh.
She
Hi.
has begun annoying me with her body
Showing love.
questions. Showing love, sure.
Oh, so nice. You tutor your sister also.
Yeah. Gastronomical is like... Oh my god, how do I explain?
Good morning everyone. So it's about 8 a.m. and we're about to have your first taste of the morning rush.
This is so embarrassing.
Why?
I really just went into
Oh.
the MRT like...
A lot of people stare at you.
Yeah.
That's your breakfast.
Yes.
That's it.
I cannot take a very heavy breakfast.
Oh, okay. Oh, so nice. Ah.
Yeah, they had a
Oh.
road show that day, so I really wanted to show it off. I was like, yes.
Is it every day? No. Wow.
No, it's
Go-
not really.
Go work is go on
No,
date
no,
or
no,
what?
no, no,
Huh.
no, 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 no.
Aww, so cute.
Happy birthday to Enzu. It was her birthday as well.
She looks so shy. So feisty. This is your daily skincare routine.
Yes, it's... No, I just removed my makeup.
Oh. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Wow. For working life, I think that's fairly quite holistic and well-rounded. Like you go to the gym, you eat with your friends.
I think when you start work, you're gonna have to have like a very good work-life balance. So that's why I try to keep fit. I go to the gym and I try and keep up with my colleagues as well.
So how would you like rank your internship experience, especially compared to some of your peers, some of your course mates?
Right, so I have a few of my friends where their internships are a lot tougher. So, for example, one of them has to go to office every day because he's dealing with hardware.
Oh, I see.
And I think he does have to do OT a lot. So, I wouldn't say that every internship experience is going to be the same. It's not going to be as relaxing as mine. It just so happened that the days that I vlogged on were so relaxing and they were so eventful.
That's fine, that's fun.
Yeah.
Actually, it looks like you're having fun.
I would say I did.
That's good. Yeah, I think internships, like my own or most of my friends' internship experiences also, it might be a bit of a struggle to actually maintain that work-life balance. And I think you've done a very good job in trying to keep it holistic, trying to go to the
Right.
gym. Yeah, trying to take care of yourself also. I
Thank
think
you.
that's pretty solid. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shall we move on to your video?
Sure, why not? Excited too. It's 7 a.m. on Monday morning and I'm awake. Usually I wake up around 8 plus. But I've got an early morning class today, so that's why I'm up. But before that, it's time for the most important meal of my day, which is breakfast. I love breakfast. No, I really love breakfast. Okay, so just reached Whole Foods, ordered my breakfast, now waiting for it. I try to have breakfast every day as much as I can. I find that I generally tend to really need a coffee. So yeah, as an SC student, you'll find that you'll spend quite a bit of time in the computer labs in school. And this is because some of the coursework and deliverables can only be completed in the lab. So this is what going to the lab looks like.
Fair point.
It's a long walk. I'm in class and we're about to present to our whole class. We're a bit early today because no one's here yet. I'm in my group comprising Zhifa and Min, and we're gonna actually go through a presentation. This module is called Lean Operations and Analytics, I think. As you can see, I'm dressed like a typical SCSE student ready for presentation. Yeah, so I'll update you how it goes.
Wow, you recorded the whole presentation.
Actually, this is not my presentation.
Oh.
It's another group's, but yeah, because I couldn't record mine. We just finished our presentation and now we're having lunch. We're all the way here in North Spine, and of course no lunch will be complete without my friends who are hiding behind the back because they don't want to be in the video, but yeah.
A few moments later.
So I came back from class, had dinner, didn't show it because it's pretty much the same as breakfast and lunch. Today was quite a busy day for me, the 2 classes back to back. I generally try to do a little bit of work before I sleep on these busy days. So for now, I'm going to try to do a bit of work because finals are approaching. I'm going to do a bit of revision today.
Wow, how that work? Alright, I see you. Is that is that a typing test?
Yes, but
Were you trying to flex on us?
I didn't show my final score. So it's been a while since my last update, but the day that I showed to you guys was quite a busy day for any student actually, like 2 back-to-back classes. So most lectures in CS are actually going to be recorded. You can probably see here, these are the library of lectures and in some cases tutorials. These are very helpful because sometimes when you don't understand what a tutorial is asking for or what a lecture slide, a particular lecture slide is saying, you can always just go back and watch these lectures to understand. And of course you can watch these lectures also at 2 times speed or faster if you can understand.
Yeah,
the
there we
mechanism is
go,
also
there we go.
Definitely does help saving time, help to save time. The only downside is if you actually have questions, you're probably better off actually going physically to the lecture to ask these questions.
Are you gaming?
Yes, and I won, so like that's why I uploaded this.
Show the wins.
Yes, only the wins. Yeah.
Wow, that seems like quite an eventful day for you.
Well, yeah, I guess like almost every single one of my mods had 1 or 2 very important, huge deliverables.
Wow.
That came due during that week. So yeah, but now it's a lot more chill. Like when it's just starting for finals, it's still not all that bad.
Yeah.
Something about the online lectures, right? I think especially now because of like recently COVID,
Yeah.
I think the profs actually put in a lot of effort to make like much higher quality videos, lecture videos.
I think it's a good point because the fact that our lectures are recorded is actually something that helps us a lot. Because as a visual person, I tend to forget what I see in the lecture. So having these videos like recorded actually
Right.
really helps and you save time.
Right, so especially studying as NTU students, as SCSE students also, I think time management is something that we found to be
Yeah.
pretty important.
I would say that we do learn a lot about independence and like having to prioritize our own things. So for example, I could say, hey, this is not so important. Maybe I don't have to do it now. But in the end, I will struggle because I did not prioritize it
Yeah.
from the start.
They'll come and bite you. Yes.
Ours.
Yes.
And also in SESE, our class participation doesn't play a huge role. So for us, I guess it's like less tiring because you don't always have to be like on your A game. You don't always have to be mentally present and like mentally contributing. Because I think they understand that, hey, you know, sometimes we can't bring our A game all the time. Sometimes we're tired. And I think that's okay that they don't
Definitely.
place so much emphasis on it.
Yeah, definitely. But then again, like another thing is that owners will fall on you to fall on us students to make sure that we really do understand the content, understand the
Right.
topic, because they're not forcing you to go to class, they're not forcing us to come for tutorials. But if we don't understand and we screw up during our exams, it's 100% on us. I had quite a lot of fun, honestly. Filming it was quite fun, like thinking about how to film my day. That was pretty interesting. Did you
How
find it
to-
fun?
How to show off that the fact that you won a few games,
Of course.
the fact that your friends are so great to be there with you and just not show their faces.
Yeah, they don't like me.
I would say that it shows off our life as a whole pretty holistically.
Yeah.
So the good, the bad.
Yeah, it's not all depression. It's not all sad. It's not all bad things when you
We-
come to NTU, SCSE. Okay, so I think we've come to the end of the video now. Especially if you enjoyed this content, please leave a like down below, along here somewhere. Comment if you enjoyed the video and subscribe. 99.7% of people that watch our videos are not subscribed. Don't be that.
Okay, bye.
Bye. 3 seconds.